given this problem statement, so here a is the variable, a belongs to the set of real numbers, and let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation, and the equation is given as x square plus 60 to the power 1 by 4, that is fourth root of 60 times x plus a is equal to 0. If alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 is equal to negative 30, then the product of all possible values, then we need to compute the product of all possible values of a. So that is what the requirement is. Now, first of all, this is the given equation. If you observe, this one is the given equation. Now from this one we can say that sum of roots, right? So sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, that is minus coefficient of x over coefficient of x over coefficient of x square minus b over a, right? So this can be written as 60 to the power 1 by 4 over 1. So that is simply alpha plus beta is 60 to the power 1 over 4, and the product of the roots, that is alpha times beta, that is equal to a in this case, right? And also it is given, and then the next one is that is given is alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 is negative 30. So these are the values that we can write. So here this is the given expression, and this part is something that we have got from the given equation. Now I will take this expression or this equation here, that is alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4, that is given as negative 30, and I will use the algebraic identities in order to resolve this one. So this one can be written as, so this alpha to the power 4 can be written squared over here, and this can be written as entire squared, beta square here, and this will be beta square to the power 2, right? So this can be written as, we can write alpha square plus beta square. So this one in the form of a square plus b square can be written as alpha square plus beta square, right? And on this entire squared, then minus 2 times alpha square times beta square. Now recursively I'll be applying this a square plus b square identity again over here, right? And so I'll just replicate this, and this internal, this a square alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square, that is alpha plus beta whole squared minus 2 times alpha times beta, right? And this alpha and beta in the product can be taken together and can be written in this way, right? So now these are the values that we already know. So let us plug all the values that we have already computed, right? So alpha plus beta 60 to the power 1 by 4. So here I'll substitute 60 to the 1 by 4, and alpha times beta is nothing but this is a, alpha times beta, this is a. Now we have all the constants and one variable. On resolving this, I'll be getting, this will be 60 to the power, so I'll just write one more step here. So this is simply 2a square, and this will be 60 to the power 1 by 2 on squaring this, right? So 60 to the power 1 by 2 and minus 2a. Again, here if I apply the identity, that is a minus b whole squared, so this can be written as 60 plus 4a square minus 4a times 60 to the power 1 over 2, right? And then minus 2 square as it is, and here negative 30, correct? On resolving this further, I'll be getting 2 times a squared minus 4 times, so let me just write this as it is, 4 times a times 60 to the power 1 over 2, and this a I'll write it separately here. So this is 4 times 60 to the power 1 over 2, and then plus this one will be 60 and 30, that is 90, that is equal to 0. Now the product, okay, so if I take the product of all possible values of a, that is the product of roots, so finally we can say that is the product of all possible roots values of a will be equal to 90 over 2. So product of roots actually, basically, right? So this is nothing but 45. So therefore 45 is the answer to this problem statement. So the answer to this problem statement will be 45. So here we need not solve this equation because by product it is a quadratic equation, right? So we have the coefficient of a here and the coefficient of a square. So a is the variable here, right? So if I find the product of roots for this one, so that is alpha and beta. So product of roots alpha and beta for this given equation, that would be c over a. So 90 is the value of c and a is 2. So 90 over 2, that is 45. So 45 is the answer to this problem statement.